Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to parse the AD replications for read-only domain controllers. So Active Directory or AD is a directory service developed by Microsoft for Windows domain networks. It is involved in centralized domain management and facilities the management resources, user accounts, and security protocols, while replications is a critical aspect of Active Directory as it ensures that domain controllers across the network maintain consistent data. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on the search menu. So here in search for apps, so type PowerShell and then right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control and tap this yes. So once it opened this administrator Windows PowerShell, and then next step, then we need to enter this command keyword ref admin space slash syncall space slash adap, and then copy this one. You need to use this control plus C to copy this command keyword, and then we need to paste in here. So use this command keyword control plus B and press enter. Alright, so these commands provide a summary of replications status, details about the last replications attempt, and force asynchronizations across your AD domain controllers respectively. Alright, so once you enter this command, and that's it guys. Alright, so close this administrator command PowerShell, and here at start menu, then you need to restart. Okay, so tap this restart. All right, so that's it guys, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.